Welcome to Voronezh, one of Russia's most fascinating cities. Whether you're planning a visit or just curious about this historic place, here are 10 interesting facts about Voronezh that highlight its significance in Russia. Voronezh is located in the heart of European Russia, approximately 500 kilometers south of Moscow. This central location makes it a key hub connecting the north, south, east, and west of the country. Voronezh is a major educational center, housing over 30 higher education institutions, including the prestigious Voronezh State University. The city is a magnet for students, contributing to its vibrant and youthful atmosphere. Known as an industrial powerhouse, Voronezh plays a crucial role in Russia's economy. It's home to key industries, including aircraft manufacturing, machinery, and food processing, making it an important economic driver for the region. The cultural scene in Voronezh is thriving, with numerous theaters, museums, and art galleries. The Voronezh State Opera and Ballet Theatre, for example, is a cultural landmark that hosts world-class performances. Given its historical roots as a fortress city, Voronezh continues to hold military significance. The city is home to important military academies and units, and it played a pivotal role during World War II. Nature lovers will find plenty to admire in Voronezh. The city is situated on the banks of the beautiful Voronezh River, surrounded by parks, forests, and natural reserves, offering a perfect blend of urban life and nature. Voronezh is a key transportation hub, linking the European part of Russia with the southern regions. Its strategic location makes it a critical point for both passenger and freight transport across the country. Agriculture plays a significant role in Voronezh's economy. The fertile lands surrounding the city are known for producing grains, sunflower oil, and sugar beets, making it a vital agricultural center in Russia. Voronezh is a city that beautifully balances history, culture, industry, and modernity. Whether you're interested in its rich heritage, economic significance, or vibrant community, Voronezh is a place that truly embodies the spirit of Russia. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating facts about cities around the world.